Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Open Settings on your iPhone and choose Mail Accounts. Tap Add Account and select Exchange or Outlook depending on your account. Enter your email and password. If you use two-factor authentication, approve the sign-in on your second factor. Make sure you know your server or organization details if prompted. Once done, toggle calendars to on so the device will request calendar sync. This is the first actionable step to push your Outlook events to iOS. Now refine how data moves. Open the added account in Settings Mail Accounts and ensure Calendars is enabled. Tap Account Advanced or Mail Days to sync and choose the range that fits your storage needs. Shorter ranges reduce space, but may omit old events. Make Outlook the default calendar in Settings Calendar Default Calendar if you want new events to save there. Once configured, open the iOS Calendar app to trigger an initial sync and confirm events appear. Finish by verifying the sync. Open the iPhone calendar and pull down to refresh. You should see your Outlook events. If some items are missing, return to Settings, toggle Calendars off and back on for that account, or remove and re-add the account to reset permissions. Make sure two-factor prompts complete and your iOS is current because outdated software can block sync. If problems persist, check server settings with your admin. Then try a restart. This usually resolves link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.